Pay-per-click, or PPC, is an advertising model unique to the internet. It's been around since 2002. A pay-per-click ad is a small 4-line ad consisting of a headline, 2 short lines of text, and a URL. It doesn't contain graphics, colour variations, music or video, and you can't pay extra to get more space. Although they sound and look rather basic, pay-per-click ads are one of the most powerful ways of advertising today, simply because they are so targeted. Rather than just displaying to whoever happens to be in the vicinity, as with TV or billboard advertising, pay-per-click ads only display to people who have shown an active interest in the topic by either searching for information or by going one step further and visiting a website. What this means for you as an affiliate is that the conversion rate of pay-per-click ads is much higher than other advertising models. Another enormous benefit is that you only pay for the times when the ad gets clicked on. While that doesn't necessarily mean that you'll get a sale, it's a lot better than paying merely for the privilege of having your ads on show, pay per impression, which is what used to be the case before pay-per-click was introduced. There are 2 types of pay-per-click ads. The ads that appear beside the organic search results in Yahoo, Google and Bing search engines are called search ads because they are triggered by the words people search for. For example, someone searching cat training will display pay-per-click ads targeting related keywords, phrases. The second type of pay-per-click ads are content ads. These ads appear within a website or blog, and unlike search ads, content pay-per-click ads are based on keywords within the website itself, rather than any user action. The trick with content ads is making sure your website or blog is well optimized for your topic, so that the most relevant ads possible are displayed. If you have a website about flamenco dancing, for example, and your site isn't properly optimized, then you could get ads displaying for the DVD version of So You Think You Can Dance for sale on eBay, or worse, something that probably has very little significance for your market, such as dance studios for under 5s. Content ads can be in 2 formats. Text, the traditional type of Google ad most people will automatically think of, and image ads, for example, animated banners, in either GIF or Flash format. Both text and image ads can be used for placement-targeted and keyword-targeted campaigns. And if you thought that banner-style advertising was dead, then think again. Our experiments have led us to conclude that image content ads are consistently more profitable than text content ads. And we're not just the only ones. Mark Lindsay goes so far as to claim that he gets back triple the click-through rates on image ads as he does from straight text ads. It's interesting. Pay-per-click ads are rewarded for high quality and penalised for inferior quality. This is simply because the whole system would fall apart if visitors started to see pay-per-click ads as bad value. But if ads are high quality, then everyone will benefit. For that reason, the better your ad, then the less you'll have to pay per click, and the more exposure you get. A win-win situation. Although pay-per-click can be expensive, you can set the limits on your spending to ensure you don't end up bankrupt overnight. When you set your ads, you will be choosing your maximum cost per click, which can be as low as 10 cents or as high as $50. The minimum amount you will have to pay will vary depending on the search engine and the popularity of the keyword you wish your ad to appear for. You also get set a daily budget, which could be anything from $5 to $5,000. This will determine how many times per day your ad gets shown. If you have a budget of $20 per day and are paying a maximum cost per click of 30 cents, then your ad can be shown up to about 66 times a day. But if you're paying $1 per click, then your ad will only be shown 20 times. Does that make sense? Don't worry if this sounds a bit confusing. We'll be going into that in a lot more detail in later lessons. For now, we just want to point out that although pay-per-click can be expensive, you do have some control over what you spend. Keywords are a huge part of pay-per-click success as they determine how targeted your audience is, which in turn determines your conversion rate. When you set up your ads, you will be able to bid on the keywords and keyword phrases that you think your target market is most likely to search for. For example, someone promoting a Learn Yoga course would probably bid on the keywords Learn Yoga and Yoga for Beginners, as they seem like search terms that their target audience would use. Finding the best keywords for highest conversions is an art, and top pay-per-click advertisers spend hours analysing the most profitable keywords for their campaigns. Sometimes a relatively small difference can make a big difference to the number of conversions you get. For example, cat fur allergy might get more clicks than cat hair allergy. Luckily, there are also plenty of keyword tools out there to help you discover what words your target market use to find information related to what you're promoting. We'll be taking a look at them in a few more lessons. And time for today's lesson summary. In today's lesson, we've looked at what pay-per-click actually is and how long it's been around. We've looked at search versus content ads and how they are different. We've looked at the different types of content ads, whether it's text, the traditional style of Google ad, or image ads or banner style advertising. We've looked at the cost of pay-per-click and how you can set your limits on your own spending. And we've looked briefly at keywords and how they are a huge part of your pay-per-click success. All right, that's all we've got time for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.